So I'm gonna teach you guys how to teach your dog how to shake. Maybe she's attacking me, looks really bad right now, but yeah, she's definitely biting me. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you guys how to teach your dog. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your dog shake. Just making it to you guys. Basically what I did, she kind of just started doing it on her own. And what we need to do, what I did, I'll grab up like this, and grab her paw like that every single time. Shake. Like that, shake. I did it every single time. You shake. Girl, I did it every single time. You shake. Every time I did it, I'm going to treat me right now. But you give her a treat. The basic is like, doing that. I did it for maybe about, I don't know, an hour or two, just constantly doing it. Keep on running on my own, and it's pretty easy like that. And then I thought I'd take a little call. Can you shake this one? Girl, shake that one. Girl, you're so smart. Okay, I can do it too. That's what I have to do. So, basically, you just say, go like this. That's how it went. And then every time she did that, she jumped on the couch. Ow, that's annoying. Okay. That's it. She just wants to treat. She's angry. Okay. And then you go down. You go all the way down the ground. See, she knows that too. And that takes time. I can teach you guys how to do that stuff as well. Just simply message me on Instagram, or even put a comment below, and I can teach you guys how to teach your dog how to do that stuff as well. But I got a lot of messages on Instagram about how to teach your dog how to shake. Right, little buddy? And then she knows how to bark on command too. Can you bark? Yeah, bark. Bark. Give me a long one. Give me a long one. Girl. Yeah, that's pretty much how you teach your dog how to shake. So as always, guys, I am working really, really hard on my YouTube channel. I wanted to upload something for you all. We're not talking to you right now. See what I'm talking about? Spoiled dog. Shut up. I'm recording. Grown folks are talking. Anyway, so basically, you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure you guys like it, subscribe, comment if you guys do want me to make other videos teaching your dog how to do stuff. It's pretty simple, like I said, just keep doing over and over again. I can teach your dog how to bark, anything else really. Sit, roll over, lay down. And my dog knows to jump on the couch, pretty much anything. Come here, stay, go. So yeah, if you guys want me to teach you all how to do that, I teach you guys how to do that. It's very, very simple. There's just repetition, like I said before. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys subscribe, like it, comment what you guys want to see next. And of course, make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I post literally every single day on that one. It's pretty much the same as this, it's vlogging, but teaching you guys how to work out, motivational posts, stuff like that. Pretty much what I do on here, just a little bit more often. And if you guys are gamers, make sure you guys follow me on my Twitch. I stream pretty much whenever I can. So if you guys are gamers, make sure you guys follow me on that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.